Hi, this is David from Smart World. We are testing the sound quality of the CPAA Android Auto CarPlay device on a Jimny. I heard that some customers have complained that the normal Bluetooth that comes with the car is not good quality. So we want to test the quality using the CPAA wireless CarPlay wireless Android Auto. So I just spoken with my wife. Hello, can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you well. Can you hear me well?
I can hear you very clear and sound. So I'm glad to hear that the sound quality is really good calling you using the CPAA wireless Android Auto adapter. So yeah, thank you very much. Speak with you soon. Bye.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
So yeah, Mr. Customers, I think this device can help you with not only having wireless CarPlay but also improving the quality of your system. You don't have to replace the system. You just need to plug the CPAA wireless CarPlay wireless Android Auto in your car and have it a better sound quality than the normal Bluetooth stereo that comes with it. It will improve the quality of your calls, make it easy, make it faster. You can use also Google, Hey Google to make calls. So it's fantastic. So thank you very much. And if you want to find more about the CPAA wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay adapter in the Jimny and the improve on quality of audio, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.